Hello, good afternoon. My name is Aguilar, and I'm going to explain to you my biology gadget. This is about the water cycle and how it happens. The water cycle is the process of transformation and circulation of water on Earth. It is divided into four phases that I will explain it now. First, we have the precipitation phase. It is when the condensed water in the atmosphere descends to the surface in the form of drops. The second phase is percolation, when the water penetrates the ground or rich bodies of water, such as lakes or the ocean. The third phase is evaporation, and in this is when the water passes into a gaseous state, which causes it to rise back into the atmosphere, where the last step will occur. Finally, condensation occurs. In this, the water is concentrated in the atmosphere, forming clouds and mist, which will cause, starting the cycle again, precipitation. This is how the water cycle works, which is quite important and fun to know. Thank you for listening and paying attention. Goodbye.